YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share the video, and do not forget to follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. We are at 406 subscribers, meaning that we are only 94 subscribers away from the goal of 500 by May 15th. So make sure that y'all hit that red button, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting videos, and subscribe to the channel. And also, once again, follow my Instagram because that's where most information gets put out first. For what I'm talking about in this video in particular, if you follow my Instagram, you would have seen me post about this already this morning. Now, this morning, a sneaker that I was very excited for came out, and I caught an L, and I'm really mad about it. Now, why did I catch an L? Did it sell out? No, it didn't sell out. But like I said, if you follow my Instagram, you saw me post about it earlier. This is a woman's release. The Air Jordan 4 Rasta, or the Air Jordan 4 Do the Right Thing, or the Air Jordan 4 Carnivore, or the Air Jordan 4 Lucid Green, or the Air Jordan 4 I'm Not Getting Them. And if you follow my Instagram, like I said, they had them in extended sizes a few days ago. Said it was going to release in extended sizes. And this morning when they came out on the sneakers app, I went to hit buy now, and it came up, and the highest size that was there was a woman's size 12. And before they said they were going to go to a woman's size 16. I'm going to be here. I'll attach a picture up here just so you know I'm not crazy. They were announced to be coming out in extended sizes, and then I guess they scratched the extended sizes. So that leads me to believe that these extended sizes were already made or in the process of being made. Why we didn't get them, I don't know. Maybe it has something to do with
coronavirus,
them not getting made fast enough, or not enough of them made, or whatever it is. But if you go to StockX right now, there are pairs ready for buy now in extended sizes, which I found interesting. I'm not going to pay over $250 for the sneaker, especially because it's a sneaker it's a GR that is going to be sitting, and when stores do open back up, you will see it on the shelves, and it will probably be on sale. But maybe by the time stores open up, I'm still holding on to a little glimmer of hope that these sneakers will be in stores in extended sizes. If that is the case, then I will definitely go and get my pair. But I know you guys know those of you that follow me that have been around know that I was really excited about this sneaker. They're not coming out. I do have a sneaker being delivered later today. And I'll be doing a review on that probably tomorrow or Saturday. I got a couple other things lined up that I want to do for you guys, but that review will be coming soon, and that will be my Buy What You Like shoe. And then my Air Jordan 1 Court Purple won't be here until the beginning of next week. There is a chance that it gets here Saturday, but I doubt it'll get here Saturday. Probably won't get it until the beginning of next week, and I'll obviously be doing a review for you on that one. And I'm gonna lace it a little different, so I'm gonna do a lacing tutorial there and an on foot, and obviously update my top 10. So those are some things that we got coming up, looking forward to. But just one more time to end the video, please make sure y'all hit this red subscribe button down below. Hit that button. Tap it, abuse it, hit that like button too, hit the red bell, make sure you subscribe down below. The goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th. It is now April 16th. We are one day below a month away. And if we don't hit this 500 subscriber mark by May 15th, then the giveaway will be delayed. I don't know when I'll do a giveaway again, but I have something exciting planned for this giveaway. You guys stay tuned and you'll figure it out soon. But in order for it to happen, we gotta hit 500 by May 15th. So once again, hit this button right here. Please hit it. Hit the notification bell. If your notification bell is already hit, unhit it and hit it again, because the notification bell's been acting crazy lately. But that is it for this video, man. I am the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share the video, and do not forget to follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. And never forget, it's all about the sneakers.